How to recover disappearing messages on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to try and retrieve messages that have vanished in Messenger. First, open Messenger on your Android device. Tap on the conversation where the messages disappeared. From there, tap on the contact name or profile at the top of the chat. At this point, scroll down and check if disappearing messages or vanish mode is currently enabled. If so, tap on it and turn it off so no further messages disappear. After that, go back to the chat and scroll up through the conversation to see if any messages are still visible. In the next step, if the messages are completely gone, open your Facebook app on your Android device. From there, log into your Facebook account and tap on the menu. Once done, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Following this, scroll down and tap on Account Center and Your Information and Permission. From there, tap on Export Your Information and Create Export. At this stage, select your profile and messages from the Customize Information and tap on Start Export. From here, Facebook will compile your message history, including Messenger conversations, and send a download link to your email. This may include some of the disappeared messages, depending on when they were deleted. After this, check your email for the download link and follow the steps to access your message archive. And that's it. If this guide helped you recover disappearing messages on Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.